Today we're gonna working on 2018 Camry SE. We're about to replace the spark plug. All you have to do is just pop this engine cover off, and then we have a 8mm right here. So we're gonna replace all 4 spark plug. So we're gonna do one by one. So just open one 8mm. And then just press this and then release the harness. And then just pop it out. Now this one looks clean. I don't know if you can see it by the video, but this one looks really clean. And then we're gonna use a 9/16 socket. So this one looks good too, but you know we're gonna change it anyways. Yeah, this one is a denso FC16HR Q8. And then the new one we're gonna change is gonna be 90919-01289 or either FC16HR08. So this one is a FC16HR Q8, exactly the same one. And then this is an old one. And then this one is a new one, and they have a little bit of oil in here, the engine oil.
다시 이렇게 연결시키면 되는 거야. 길게 하고 있을게.
So I'm just gonna put it in with the magnet, drop it. And then just turn it clockwise. second one. Everything is good. Thank you for watching.